Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Barlage. Welcome back. We're ready to get started. So our first meeting is going to be on Monday, April 27th from noon until 12:45, and we're going to have a video conferencing call using Google Meet. And this is the link that you're going to click on right here, meet.google.com. You're going to click on that and it'll take you directly into the meeting. If you cannot click on this, then you're going to want to copy from the HTTPS all the way to the Z, copy and paste that into the URL web browser, which will take you to the Google Meet. Once you're inside, you will need to enter this PIN here, the 303-141-783 and the hashtag. If you're going to be joining us by phone, dial 1-657-845-2306 and then you're going to enter the PIN. Once we're in the meeting, we are going to be taking turns responding to questions to allow everyone an opportunity to express how they are feeling. Today, more than ever, we need to respect and support one another. I want to start by saying that it's okay and it is normal to feel some anxiety right now. Below, you're going to see some questions that we will discuss. You might want to take a look at those before we meet in class. And then from 12:30 to 12:35, we're going to go over the weekly lessons that I will be presenting to you. And then 12:35 to 12:45, we're going to end on a positive note. What is bringing you joy and peace during this chaotic time? All right, I look forward to seeing you all on Monday. Take care.